Hello students, today we discuss about next properties of central force, which is law of conservation of energy. In last lecture we read about equation of motion of particle under central force. These equations are radial equation and angular equation. Here we take radial equation, which is MAR is equal to FR. Here AR is linear acceleration whose value is d2r upon dt square minus r d theta upon dt whole square is equal to fr. Now we multiply m inside the bracket, then we get this. We know that J is equal to I omega. I is moment of inertia, which is mr square, and omega is angular velocity, which is d theta upon dt. So d theta upon dt is J upon mr square. Put this d theta upon dt value here, then m upon d2r upon dt square minus mr and square this value, then we get J square upon m square r4 is equal to fr. Now here 1 m to m cancel and r to r cancel, then we get only J square upon m, and inside the bracket 1 upon r cube, and this minus inside the bracket and multiply and divide by 2 is equal to fr. Now if we derivative 1 upon r square with respect to r, then derivative this part is 1 upon r square is minus 2 upon r cube, and derivative of r with respect to r is 1. So at this value we put d upon dr, 1 upon r square is equal to fr, and J square upon 2m is constant, so we multiply inside the bracket, then and we get equation 1. Now we know that central force is conservative force, and that force is equal to negative gradient of potential energy, and if it gradient is del u upon del r, if r is position vector, then we can write as del upon del x I cap, del upon del y j cap, and del upon del z k cap. This is gradient. Here we completely taken as r, then d upon dr. Then from equation 1 we put d minus du upon dr at fr. So we get m d2r upon dt square plus d upon dr J square upon 2mr square is equal to minus du upon dr. तो इस तरफ भी डेरिवेटिव r के रेस्पेक्ट में और यहाँ भी डेरिवेटिव r के रेस्पेक्ट में, तो we take this value inside the right and common minus d negative sign and also d upon dr, then inside the bracket we get this quantity. Now here we multiply both side by dr upon dt. Now if we multiply, then we get this equation. Now here dr to dr cancel, then m dr upon dt d2r upon dt square is equal to minus d upon dt J square upon 2mr square plus u. If we derivative this part with respect to t, then m by 2 is constant, and derivative of x power n is nx n minus 1, which is 2 dr upon dt, and derivative inside the bracket part, which is d2r upon dt square. Here 2 to 2 cancel, then this part similar to this part, so at this value we can write this value. So equation 3 becomes d upon dt m by 2 dr upon dt whole square is equal to minus d upon dt J square. Now LHS term is also derivative with right with time and RHS term is also derivative with time. So we take this value inside the left and take common dt. Now if we integrate this part, then we get equation 4. Now we know that kinetic energy is half mv square and velocity is change in displacement with respect to time, which is dr upon dt, which is kinetic energy, and rotational energy is half I omega square. Here we multiply and divide by I, then we get I square omega square upon 2I, and we know J is equal to I omega, that means J square, and 2, and I is moment of inertia, which is mr square, that is rotational energy, and U is potential energy. So put all these value in equation 4, that is kinetic energy, that is potential, that is rotational energy, and U is potential energy is equal to constant. So we can say that under the central force, total energy of particle is constant. Now next topic is path equation of moving particle under the central force. So here we again take radial equation, which is MAR is equal to FR. FR, where AR is linear acceleration, value is the d2r upon dt square minus r d theta upon dt whole square. We multiply m inside the bracket, then we get equation 1. We know J is equal to I omega, and I is moment of inertia mr square, omega is angular velocity d theta upon dt. So J upon mr square is d theta upon dt. D theta upon dt is J upon mr square. Here we multiply and divide by d theta. Here theta is function, so here we replace this function, then derivative is with d upon dt, j dtt, sorry, d upon dt is equal to J upon mr square d upon d theta. Here we take function of r, replace to theta, then dr upon dt is equal to J upon mr square dr upon d theta. We put all the values, and now first see that equation 1 we can write as md upon dt dr upon dt minus rm and d theta upon dt whole square, like as. So we put all the values, d upon dt from equation 3, dr upon dt from equation 4, and d theta upon dt from equation 2. We put all the values m d upon dt dr upon dt mr d theta upon dt is equal to fr. Now here m to m cancel, multiply by J square m r square d upon d theta 1 upon r square dr upon d theta minus m to m cancel, r to r cancel, then J square upon m r cube is equal to fr. Now if we derivative 1 upon r with respect to theta, then firstly we derivative 1 upon r, which is minus 1 upon r square, and second we derivative r with respect to theta, which is dr upon d theta. So add this value 1 upon r square dr upon d theta, we put this value d upon d theta 1r. So J square upon mr square d upon d theta, and add d upon d theta 1 upon r, we put this value here, and negative sign is here is equal, and minus J square upon mr cube as it is equal to fr. Here we let u is equal to 1 upon r. So here 1 upon r square we put u square, here 1 upon r is u, and here 1 upon r cube is u cube, and here r is equal to 1 upon u. So the equation becomes this. Now here we common J square u square upon m. j square u square m common, then here d2u upon d theta square, and j square u square common, then only u, and is equal to नेगेटिव साइन, जो यहाँ से एल एच एस साइड से जो नेगेटिव साइन कॉमन लिया वो नेगेटिव साइन एफ, एंड आर था ब्रेकेट में एफ आर, एंड आर इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन यू, बिकॉज वी लेट दैट u is equal to 1 upon r. So r is equal to 1 upon u. So equation 5 is the path equation under the central force. Thank you. If you understood this equation, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.